Hello, my dear viewers. How are you all? I really wish you all are fine and well, safe at your homes. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Street Fashion. Another amazing, beautiful video collection and ideas of nail arts. You guys will watch in this whole video. Really amazing and beautiful collection I just bring for you, so you will get the beautiful nail art designs and ideas from my videos. Hopefully you guys will love this collection, this video as well, just like my all videos and ideas. So as you guys are watching this video on my channel, you guys will only find the latest amazing beautiful collection of designs and ideas, outfits collection, the styling ideas, all type of beautiful collection you can watch easily only on my channel and my videos. So I really hope so my all videos will be really helpful for you. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon as well, so you guys will never miss any video and collection. Easily you can watch the all latest videos updates just through the notifications. Really amazing beautiful collection you can watch on my channel. Just visit on my channel once. You guys will definitely love my videos and ideas which I bring for you. So share with me your reviews and your feedback about my this video as well as my all videos collection on my channel. If you guys will visit, you will find, and hopefully you guys will love the every video. So share with me your comments, so I will try to bring more and more collection for you people. Stay tuned with me, and thank you for watching my this video collection.